then more patching. I started by getting home and sanding one of the other rooms, and now I've started doing my own bedroom, which is much more complicated with stuff in here. So gonna see how this room goes this weekend, and the other room, who knows? Wake up,
Reach the wizard.
wake up.
Reach the wizard.
I haven't even started the other walls yet, so it's already taken me about 2 hours. So there's going to be a little bit of work on things like this corner, and you know, this wall, but it's all coming together. It's getting there slowly but surely, and I'll keep taking this along as we go.
Reach the wizard.
Wake up.
Reach the wizard.
Wake up.
Reach the wizard.
Wake up.
Reach the wizard.
It's been a fairly exhausting weekend, but I've got a lot done. I have painted undercoat and one colour coat in the music room, or what will be the music room. I've done a lot of spack filling throughout the house, and I have started cutting in and sanding and spacking my walls. So fairly productive. I've also made a start in the garden, which is exciting, and done other little bits and pieces. As I see it, I try to fix it and then remember there's so many things to do, so keep to my list. Anyway, I'm going to keep cracking and hopefully get this room undercoated completely tonight, and then bedtime ready for work tomorrow.
Spaghetti.